It's crazy. Samantha's on the line. Samantha, you've got a question about Kentucky for Kyle, don't you?
Yes, I do. Okay, Kyle, first I want to say I've been a huge fan of yours for a long time. The guy told me to keep it short and sweet, so I won't go into that.
Well, I appreciate you. Thank you.
I want to know, did you really leave Kurt in Kentucky?
All right, now this is the hot topic this week, as whether or not
It
I left Kurt on the airplane. So he did not fly to Kentucky with me. Let's put that out there. Okay.
All right.
He was supposed to fly home with me. Yes, that's the truth. And we were supposed to helicopter out because the airport's like 45 minutes away, whatever. It's a ways away. And so when he won the race, I instantly told Samantha, I says, you better text Kurt and ask him what he wants to do. Does he have another ride home? Because we're going home. We're leaving. And so, look, we got home at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Guess what time my son wakes up? About 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
No matter when he goes to bed. No matter when he goes to bed, he wakes up at 8. Yeah.
What time do you think Kurt got home?
6.
4:30.
4:30.
I was not waiting around
to
bring Kurt home to make sure that I was home at 4:30 in the morning, so my son wakes up at 8 o'clock. Look, man, the priorities. Look, mom and dad, Kyle, Samantha, like we had priorities.
Yeah.
We knew that there was going to be something we had to take care of at 8 o'clock in the morning. So Kurt, we asked him if he had a ride. He said he did. He found his own ride home. I didn't leave him stranded. So.
And if the situation was reversed, you would understand if you had won and he was your ride home, he would have probably left as well.
Correct, unless it's on my plane.
Right, but then that's
like
different.
Like Kurt was right. He mentioned it in Victory or in the media center. He was like, you know, Kyle won a race at Phoenix earlier this year, and I had to sit there and wait and whatever for him to get done with all that. Yeah, well, duh. Who owns the plane?
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Yeah,
you're riding with me, man.
You're riding with me,
That's the way the world works, people.
Better way.
Absolutely.
Hey, Motorsports fans, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe before you go for all the latest news and highlights across motorsports.